Struggling to add fonts in CapCut? Don't worry, it's super easy and it can give your video a unique and professional look. Here's how to do it. First, open your project in CapCut and import your video into the timeline. Now, to add the text, click on this text tab and click on this plus right here and adjust its duration like this and add the text you want. You can adjust its size like this, make its size small. Now click on the text, and in order to add the font, here you'll see a drop down menu for fonts. Click on it. Now CapCut offers a variety of built-in fonts. From here, select the font you would like. But if you want to use a custom font, you will need to install it on your PC first. Watch my previous video if you want to use a custom font. For now, let's just use the font right here. Okay, let's use this one. You can also adjust its size, color, spacing, and position the text where you want it, like this. Let's select the color. Let's make it more appealing. Let's also keep the background from here. Let's keep this one. Keep its opacity a little bit low. Let's keep it glow too. Let's make it wet. No, let's make it, this one. Okay, that's it. Now you can also add animation if you want. This will make your text more dynamic. Let's keep it in loop. That's it. Yes, this is how it looks. You can also add audios to it so that it looks more dynamic. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more editing tips.